defense, rin sa mga nag-step up kanina, ano lang yung assignment sa nila room?
Of course, all by God's grace naman lahat yan. And then, Coach Jong emphasize yung minutes namin if you observe it. I don't know kung may lamagpas pa ng 30 or basta alam ko balance yung minutes ngayon. So, knowing na wala si Berto ngayon and yun, pinakita naman na everyone can step up when given the opportunity. So, of course, grateful kay Coach Jong na nagkakatiwalaan tayo and then yun, ang ganda ng resulta kapag pinag-deliver lahat eh. Shout out at Nieto at Jake Pascual. Isa kayo.
Salamat sa pagbabalik, Gabs. Welcome back.
Alam mo ka nang maayos sa Inaris?
Yes, first, praise God kasi I mean, nakabalik ako 2 conferences pa lang. Kumbaga, ito pala yung full of season ko nakapag-prepare ako. So, first, praise God, it finally feels nice na I don't know if I'm 100% game shoot, but ang ano lang, it feels nice na kahit papano, unti-unti nakapaglaro ko ng mga siya, nakakatulong ako sa team. And then, of course, against San Miguel na we know na always a contender kahit anong conference pa yan. And of course, defending champion sila, all Filipino.
Kaya kumusta yung optimism mo this conference dahil gagaling nyo lang sa magandang performance ng Philippine Cup okay na post. Pero kumusta yung optimism nga na at least ma-overcome nyo yung maka-reach agad sa playoffs ulit?
Yun, personal goal ko, I mean, for the team. I don't know if they'll say the same, but ako, gusto ko talaga maging consistent playoff contender kami. But ako, ang gusto ko sana makasemis kami at least. Kasi, last conference, Rainer siya, tinalo kami twice to beat. And I think maybe it's a good experience for us, but siguro pressure can be good or bad, but pinag-usapan ko sana parang good teams, San Miguel, TNT, Ginebra, Converge, lahat yan may pressure naman, lahat manalo yan. So, might as well na mag-pressure natin sarili natin to perform and to be in the semis. Kasi, I mean, yun talagang ang solusyon namin, kailangan may pressure sa sarili mo na, kung sabi nga sa amin, we are paid to win, we are not paid to play.